Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wonderful people. Thanks for joining me today. As you can see, we're doing red lentil pasta. This is a Trader Joe's brand. It's organic, it's healthy, it's good for you. You just want to boil it just as your regular old pasta. And it amazed me because it looks just like pasta once the redness just runs away. Then you want to make sure you take some of the excess liquid from the water boiling and you're going to use that for your kale. So before you toss your kale into the pot, you're just going to take off any of the strings, the tapes, or whatever your kale came with. Break it in half, rinse it, and chop it up as much as you like before you enter it into the pot. And I wanted to use the same water because I wanted to simmer down the kale because it normally has a harder texture than any other green. So you simmer it down maybe about 10 minutes or so, and then it looks like this. It's nice and green, and the fragrance is aroma all over the kitchen. After that, you're just gonna put your pasta back into the pot and you're gonna add whatever sauce you like. I'm a tomato basil girl, so I decided to use the last of the tomato sauce that I had. Just want to pop that into the pot and just mix that all around. And at first, I didn't know if it was gonna be enough, but I just made it work and I mixed it as much as possible, and it actually came out pretty okay. I didn't need that much sauce, and I'm learning that because normally I drown any pasta or any type of mixed things with sauce because sauce is life and I just like the sauce. So no, now you just want to season it up with some herbs and whatever you like. I like to use garlic, some crushed black pepper, along with some Italian seasoning, which is just like oregano, rosemary, and things of that nature. Then you want to chop up some tomato, and these are by the Village Farms. I really love them because they're sweet, and I decided to throw in some celery as well, and I had to transfer my pot because it was just too small. Then I decided to add some nutritional yeast because just to give it some extra flavor. And then I topped it off with some Parmesan non-dairy cheese that I got from Whole Foods. And this was my first time trying it out and it was pretty decent. I just sprinkled some over the pot and then I left the heat on and I covered it. I forgot to show you guys that, but after a while, I just mixed in the cheese and then I created my plate, and this is how it looks. I hope you guys enjoy. Please follow me on social media at I'm Starr B, and you can also chat with me here in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video for a thumbs up. And I'll talk to you in my next video.